Well, here we are. Time for a ride and a house inspection. But we're mainly here for a ride because house inspections don't always go that well. In Melbourne, anyway. But look at that view. It's the Dandenongs out this way again. Lots of garden. Lots and lots of garden. Killer house though. Who knows? Hello. Okay, gonna head off to Warrandyte now on my bike. I don't know if I'll put my camera on. Can't be bothered, but also yes, can't be bothered. Wait, get us both now. How wide?